Hey guys, we are talking about this baby bottle drying rack. So when we had our first child, we didn't have one of these. We used to just lay it out on a mat just like this, but this is a real space saver when it comes to the counter. So you can see here we have everything from the little nose sucker to my wife's breast pump to our pacifiers, everything that is drying on here, and it takes up hardly any space because it's all vertical instead of horizontal. So that's one of the really great things about it. You can see here there's four different bottle dryers on each side. You've got the middle rack that you're able to put things on, the top one being the biggest, and then you can put the little chutes and straws down there as well. It also collects down here, so when you need to wash this out, which obviously we need to do, you can do that. We also do syringes. Just about anything that you need dried that is baby related, you can put on here, which is really great because it kind of makes it a one-stop shop. You can throw all the baby stuff on there. It doesn't get in with the rest of your dishes, which means nothing gets cross-contaminated or anything like that, which is really great because you can have trust that everything that your baby is touching has been cleaned and has been properly stored. So really big thing for us. And again, being able to save on the counter space is really big, especially in our last apartment. We had much smaller counter space. So very big. Would definitely recommend for anybody who has a baby who's looking to save that counter space.